Ever noticed your steering wheel getting heavy and stiff, just as you are trying to park in a tight spot or maneuver through a crowded grocery store parking lot? You might be dealing with the diagnostic trouble code P0552, which indicates that your power steering pressure sensor circuit has a low voltage reading. Back in the day, cars used a simple rack and pinion system without any help, which made low-speed turning a real workout for your arms, but modern vehicles use hydraulic assist to make driving effortless. Your engine control module works closely with a pressure sensor to monitor how much stress is on the steering system so it can adjust the engine idle and keep things smooth. When this sensor sends a signal that is lower than the expected range, the computer triggers a check engine light and might even cause your engine to stall out or act erratically when you are turning the wheel. While you can technically still drive with a faulty power steering sensor, it is a bad idea to ignore it because a small electrical issue can eventually lead to a total loss of assist or even expensive mechanical damage. You might hear a loud whining noise when you turn the wheel, or notice that the steering feels choppy and inconsistent. The most common causes for this code are damaged wiring near the sensor, a leak in the high-pressure lines, or the sensor itself failing internally. To start troubleshooting, you should always check your fluid levels first because if the fluid is low, the sensor cannot do its job properly. Take a close look at the sensor, which is usually mounted on one of the hard aluminum lines under the hood, and check for any signs of oil leaking through the electrical connector itself. If you see oil in the plug, you need to clean it thoroughly and likely replace the sensor. You can use a digital multimeter to check the circuit integrity, but remember that these systems operate under extremely high pressure that can be dangerous if a line bursts, so always wear your safety gear. If you find broken wires or a corroded connector, repairing those simple spots can save you hundreds of dollars compared to a shop visit. If the mechanical side is dry and the wiring looks perfect, you may need a professional to look at the engine control module. It is best to see a mechanic if you notice fluid spraying or if the steering becomes so hard that you cannot safely control the vehicle on the road. Fix it now to keep your handling crisp and avoid those annoying stalling issues at every stop sign.